Hi, and welcome to RedTrack Unlock. In this brief onboarding video, we will show you how to add RedTrack tracking scripts into Shopify to start capturing conversion data and send it back to RedTrack for attribution and analytics. So let's go into your RedTrack account, scroll down to the website that we have actually added in the previous videos, go to our Shopify demo store. In this case, go to edit, and let's go into the scripts part. When you'll scroll down, you'll see that we have preset scripts for conversion tracking for Shopify and WooCommerce. So we'll leave up with Shopify, and what you need to do is you need to, of course, you can go through knowledge base, but I mean, it's so simple, just skip knowledge base. Let's do this. We need to copy scripts for theme, copy scripts for checkout order status page, copy scripts for checkout purchase page if you're using any upsell plugins, and then set up webhooks. So despite the order, that's the correct order, I will do them in reverse because it will help me with the logic of explanation. I'm already in the demo account in the settings. So let's copy webhooks. And I'm making notes because that actually helps you on the next steps. So we have webhook number 1. And notice that's the same webhook number 2. I do 2 times, not to forget that I need to add 2 webhooks. And if you don't want to jump back and forth, you can remember that one is for checkout creation, that one is for order creation, but they are the same. Now, additional scripts, they go one by one. This followed, and that's universal token script, by the way, followed by this one. Next is checkout order status page. That's for all those purchases that are done outside default Shopify checkout. Okay, it's me doing some other Loom recording. Sorry for that. We go back to here. And the last part, what we need to copy is 2 scripts for the theme page. So let's go back to interface, copy script number 1 for the theme page, and script number 2 for the theme page. You can do that in any order you want, and it really depends on how you work with the Shopify. So notice that for all those scripts, we have your tracking domain added automatically. In here, everywhere. The only thing that you need to consider is that this part would not be updated automatically because we do not know your shop ID. So where to get your shop ID? In here. Again, I'm using a different shop for this demo purposes. So this is your shop ID. You copy it, you paste it, into here. And again, remove all parts with myshopify.com. Now that part is done. Just always do sanity check that you have domain here, Shopify here, domain here. This one you don't touch. This one will be populated by Shopify itself. And again, these scripts for theme are all preset. This is first purchase. This is upsells. And again, on the script page in RedTrack, we give you information where to add those scripts, and of course there is a link to the knowledge base where to add those scripts. Now, let's add those scripts to the Shopify. We're in the settings, so let's go to the notifications. Let's scroll all the way down. Webhooks. Create webhook. Checkout creation, JSON. I mean, probably, yeah, we did that on purpose. So copy, paste. Make sure you use the latest API version. Save. The second one is order creation. Create webhook. Now go to order creation. Order creation. Same URL. Same latest API. Save. Done. One part is done. Next, you go to the checkout and accounts. Depending on your setup, you will either have this section, or this page additional scripts, or on top of that, you will have also first purchase page additional scripts. If you do upsell, don't forget about first purchase page. We're using empty store here, so we don't have any first purchase page in the account. How you add scripts here? Go to scripts, first purchase page, copy and paste. Again, to simplify stuff, order status page, additional scripts, copy. Order status page, additional scripts, paste. Done. Save. Should you have the post-purchase page with additional scripts, that's where it is important to replace this shop with your myshopify.com domain and add two scripts, universal and page specific. Both of them are in your RedTrack interface in here. Now, last part is to add two scripts into your theme. So close this one, go to online store themes. I should have a theme installed by now. Edit code. You go to theme liquid. Ideally, our scripts should be embedded at the top of the body. But for Shopify, when I do this, I always can't find the body here because I probably don't know how it exactly works. So what I just do is, if I already have some text, I will put it, I don't know, let's put it at the top. They will work. So those two scripts that we have for the theme, I copy them because the two of them, I can do the same from the interface. And I'll copy them right in the very, after the title. Maybe after the page description. No, it will be very difficult to find, so I'll do it right at the top. If you know how to use theme liquid better than me, just paste them where you would typically paste the scripts. I do it here, it works all the time, so it's good. Again, that's it. We added all the scripts to the Shopify. Now save, and at this moment data will be captured, sent back to RedTrack, and you start seeing results. To proceed, please add all your additional channels, set up tracking links, and add those tracking links to your ad networks. Thank you. This is Vlad with a RedTrack Unlock setup guide, and we talked how to add Shopify tracking scripts into Shopify. Enjoy using RedTrack. Thank you.